Hey there, IB Language B writers. Welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to craft articles that inform, engage, and impress your examiners? Whether it's for paper one or your written assignment, mastering the art of article writing is a key skill. Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know to write a fantastic article. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is an article in the context of IB Language B? An article is a written piece of text that provides information, presents ideas, or shares opinions on a specific topic. It's a versatile text type that can describe an experience, an event, a person, or a place. And it can also present a balanced argument or a strong opinion. In IB Language B, writing an article allows you to demonstrate your ability to communicate effectively, structure information logically, and engage a specific readership. Before you even start writing, you need to nail down your context, audience, and purpose, your CAP. These three elements are fundamental to crafting an effective article. Context. This is the where and why. What is the situation or event that prompts your article? Is it for a school newspaper, a local community magazine, or an online blog? The context will influence your topic, tone, and the kind of information you include. Audience. This is the who. Who are you writing for? Are they your peers, teachers, parents, or the general public? Their age, interests, and prior knowledge will shape your vocabulary, style, and the depth of your explanations. Tailor your language and examples to resonate with them. For instance, an article for a student magazine might be more informal than one for a national newspaper. Purpose. This is the what. What do you want your article to achieve? Do you want to inform your readers about a new policy, persuade them to adopt a certain viewpoint, or entertain them with a compelling story? Your purpose should be clear and guide every decision you make in your writing. A well-structured article is easy to read and keeps your audience engaged from start to finish. Here's a classic blueprint you can follow. Catchy headline, title. This is your first impression. Your headline needs to grab the reader's attention and clearly indicate what your article is about. Make it intriguing and informative. Byline. Don't forget your name. This is where you, the author, are credited. Introduction. Your introduction sets the tone and hooks your reader. Briefly introduce your topic and clearly state what the article will cover. You want to make them want to read on. Body paragraphs. This is where you develop your ideas. Organize your content into logical paragraphs, with each focusing on a single main idea. Support your points with details, examples, and evidence. Use transition words and phrases to ensure a smooth flow between paragraphs. Developing ideas. Whether you're describing an event, analyzing an issue, or presenting an opinion, ensure your arguments are well supported and clearly articulated. You might use facts, statistics, quotes, or personal anecdotes if appropriate for the context. Conclusion. Your conclusion should summarize your main points and offer a final thought. This could be a call to action, a reflection, a prediction, or a memorable statement that leaves a lasting impression on your reader. The language you use is crucial for connecting with your audience and conveying your message effectively. Tone and vocabulary. Your tone and vocabulary should be appropriate for your format, topic, and intended audience. For a formal article, maintain a more objective and serious tone. For a more casual piece, you can be more conversational. Always choose words that are precise and impactful. Engaging language. Use vivid descriptions, strong verbs, and varied sentence structures to keep your writing interesting. Rhetorical devices can also be used to add emphasis and engage the reader, but use them judiciously. Clarity and cohesion. Ensure your writing is clear, concise, and easy to understand. Use logical connectors to create a cohesive flow between sentences and paragraphs. Avoid jargon unless you define it clearly for your audience. To help you avoid common mistakes and truly shine, here are a few pro tips. Word count. For paper 1, articles typically range from 250 to 400 words for SL and 450 to 600 words for HL. Be mindful of the specific requirements for your task. Stay focused. Ensure your article sticks to its main topic and purpose. Avoid rambling or introducing irrelevant information. Show, don't just tell. Instead of simply stating facts, use descriptive language and examples to illustrate your points and make your article more engaging. Proofread, proofread, proofread. I can't stress this enough. Always proofread your article carefully for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. A polished piece reflects a careful and competent writer. And there you have it. Writing an impactful IB Language B article is all about understanding your CAP, structuring your message logically, and using engaging, appropriate language. It takes practice, but with these tips, you're well on your way to informing, engaging, and scoring high. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more IB Language B content, and let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like me to cover. Good luck with your writing, and I'll see you in the next video.